fucking shoot it! Drop the gun, Leo! Drop the gun, Leo! Good! I said drop it! What the hell did you kill him for? Oh my god!
Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty graphic violence in this movie and lots of weird kind of torture of girls and stuff there, Ricky Shore. There's all kinds of like weird blood and guts going on around here. And I kind of like the new topic of like what's a favorite new horror movie and stuff. And like I've seen Eraserhead. There's a nice little story in there. It's like I kind of related to the baby in that story a little. And like how he was growing up and stuff like that. But you were talking about scary movies, and I have some scary ones too, like movies I couldn't really finish watching, although I tried to finish some of them, and like here's one that I got, it's pretty disgusting, and it's like called Jerry Maguire, and it's like, I don't know what's really about, because it was really too much of a strange movie for me to finish, but it was pretty much like what the Tom Cruise is like some sort of, he hangs out with these like, I think baseball players or football players or something, and there's this like, Ebert and Roper gave it 2 thumbs up, but it was just like, I don't know, it was marketed as a smart and sexy comedy, but it was just kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like, the way it described society and stuff kind of gave me nightmares, and another movie that was kind of, like, was a little better than that, another something that is kind of, you know, it's not really for kids, it's like Harry and the Hendersons, and it's like, all about how people go camping and run over Bigfoots and stuff, and then they, like, tried to hide them from everyone, so I was always wondering, like, who had the Bigfoot hiding in their house, always after that, and I was like, oh, Thermo, why don't you come over and play, and, like, hang out with Bigfoot in your basement, maybe? And I was like, no way, Jose, I don't want to come over there. I don't know, and the last time you went camping or killing, like, the missing link and stuff and trying to, you know, promote Christianity and hide evolution, because pretty much if you find, like, Bigfoot and stuff, it would be a good statement for adaptation in the woods and stuff. And then there's another kind of movie where Hulk Hogan was starring in this movie called No Holds Barred and stuff, and it was terrifying. Like, there was even like an actor in the movie who peed his pants at one point because Hulk Hogan jumped out of his limousine, and his name, what was his name again? It was like Crush or Slash or something in the movie, and he had to fight this kind of guy named Zeus, and he had a lazy eye and stuff, and he was really big, and like they had to fight on TV and stuff, and it was another one of those things where they go to like the mid, the south the USA and stuff, the red states and stuff, and had to fight people there, and there was like fat rednecks and stuff, and it was just like, I don't know, it reminded me of like small towns and stuff like that, where there was always fighting commonplaces, and like there was another really scary movie, it was called Spice World, and it was all about these aliens who were like going around indoctrinating girls and stuff, and teaching them how to be hoes and stuff, and they were like girl power, and all the girls back then, like, you know, it was scary because even in real life it was happening, and girls didn't know the difference between make-believe and reality, so they were all like, girl power, we're having girl power, and everyone else who was normal, it was like, some people were immune to it, I guess, because they would listen to the music and their brains would process it in a different way, but yeah, it was a scary time to be alive, but nice video, bye!